Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr, and I'm inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello! Ang pag-uusapan natin today is about base 10 system and place value. So today malalaman natin kung paano ba nabuo yung place value system natin. Okay? So let's start! Let's review first kung ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ng counting or natural numbers at ng whole numbers. Counting numbers or natural numbers are those numbers na ginagamit natin when we count or pag nagbibilang tayo. That's why we start in number 1, 2, 3, and so on. Unlike counting numbers, whole numbers start with 0, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. So, parehas lang siya ni counting numbers, pero nadagdagan lang ng 0. And yes, 0 is a whole number. Okay, I have here 74,926. What I want you to try is to give me the value of each number. Does it mean that I have 9 there? It's just equivalent to 9? Or yung 4 ba is 4 lang yan? So, please try to give me the real value of each number according to its place. Okay? And let's see if you got it right when we talked about it later. Base 10 system is simply multiplying that number by 10 and so on. So let's say I have 1. I will multiply it by 10 and now I have 10. That 10, I will multiply it again by 10, then I have 100. 100, I'll multiply it by 10, then I have 1000. That 1000, I multiply it by 10, then I have 10,000. If I'll continue that 10,000 will become 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, and so on. To get that, I'll just multiply it by 10. Now, if you can see, I have here 10 and may mga exponents siya. When we say 1, it's just equivalent to 10 raised to 0. Yung 10, equivalent niya is 10 raised to 1. Yung 100, ang equivalent niya is 10 squared. Yung 1,000, equivalent niya is 10 cubed. And yung 10,000, ang equivalent niya is 10 to the 4th power, and so on. So, kung maaalala nyo, yung tungkol sa exponent, ang tawag dun sa 10 is base. So, kaya siya tinawag na base 10 system. So, simply because we multiply it by 10. Okay, so ito na yung place value natin na ginamitan ng base 10 system. So, kung makikita nyo, yung una is nanggaling sa kanan papuntang kaliwa. So, first we have the ones or tigi-isa. Next, we have the tens or tig-sa-sampu. Next, we have hundreds or tigo-100. After ng 100, we need to put comma para alam na natin na yung susunod is thousands place. So, next, we have thousands or tig-1,000. Next, 10,000s or tig-10,000. Next, 100,000s or tig-100,000s. Then comma again. Then we have millions place. So we have millions or tig 1 million. 10 millions, we have tig 10 millions. And then 100 millions, tig 100 millions. And then comma again, then we have the billions place. So, habang papalayo yung place niya papuntang kaliwa, ibig sabihin papataas yung value ng number na yan. So, ibig sabihin, millions is greater than thousands. Billions is greater than millions. Okay? Okay, so ito yung mga value ng numbers according to their place or position. So let's say in my ones, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Para gawin natin siyang tens, ang bawat isa, kailangan lang natin i-multiply by 10. Kasi nga, ginamitan natin siya ng base 10 system. So for example, may ones ako na 5 or 5 piraso. If I want to make that in tens, then I'll multiply it by 10, then it will become 50. Another example is 8. Minultiply ko lang sa 10, kaya naging 80. So, ang makikita nyo dun sa tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ngayon, paano pagsasamahin nyo si tens tsaka si ones? Like, for example, 10 tsaka si 1. You call that 11. 20 tsaka si 2, 22. 30 tsaka si 3, 33. 40 plus 4, 44. 50 and 5, 55. 60 and 6, 66. 70 and 7, 77. 80 and 8, 88. 90 and 9, 99. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa hundreds place. So, from tens, again, minultiply ko lang sa 10. So, yung 10 times 10, naging 100. Yung 20 times 10, naging 200. 30 times 10, 300, and so on. Now, paano ko siya babasahin from hundreds to 1? Okay, let's have an example. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. So, basically, ito yung pinaka-start kasi magagamit mo siya sa susunod natin mga place value. Okay, pagdating naman sa thousands place, ganun lang din siya. From hundreds, minultiply mo by 10. Then, naging thousands. Yung thousands, minultiply mo by 10, naging 10,000s. Yung 10,000s, minultiply mo by 10, naging 100,000s. Kung mapapansin mo, sa bawat place niya, nadagdagan lang siya ng 3 zero. So, yung 1, naging 1,000. Yung 10, naging 10,000s. Yung 100, naging 100,000s. So, basically, ganun mo lang din siya i-pronounce, pero may thousands na siya. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan nating place value is thousands. Okay? Okay. Pagdating sa millions, ganun lang din yung idea. From 1,000, you will multiply it by 10. So, from 100,000s, you multiply it by 10, it becomes millions. From millions, you multiply it by 10, then it becomes 10 millions. From 10 millions, you multiply it by 10, then it becomes 100 millions. Okay? So, kung mapapansin mo, yung millions natin, nadagdagan lang siya ng another 3 zeros. So, meron siyang 6 zeros. So, yung 1, naging 1 million. Yung 10, naging 10 millions. Yung 100, naging 100 millions. So, ganun mo pa rin siya babasahin, pero ang dadagdag mo is millions, not thousands. Okay? Pagdating sa billions, same idea. You just multiply it again by 10 from 100 millions. Now, ang makikita niyong zeros ngayon is 9. So, from 1, dinagdagan ng 9 zero, it calls 1 billion. Yung 10, dinagdagan ng 9 zeros, so naging 10 billions. Yung 100, dinagdagan mo ng 9 zeros, then it becomes 100 billions. So basically, same na the way you say it, but you just add billions. not thousands, not millions. Okay, pagdating sa trillions, 12 zeros ang madadagdag. So sa 1, magiging 1 trillion. Yung 10, magiging 10 trillions. And yung 100, magiging 100 trillions. And so on. Marami ka pang place value na pwedeng idugtong. Next to trillions, we have quadrillions, which is dadagdagan mo ng 15 zeros. Next to quadrillions, we have quintillions, which is dadagdagan mo ng 18 zeros, and so on. Okay, I have here a whole number 574. Now let's try to get the value of each number. Since 5 is in the hundreds place, it means meron tayong 5 pirasong tigo 100. So the value of 5 is 500. Si 7, nasa tens place siya, ibig sabihin meron tayong 7 na tig 10, so the value of 7 is 70. Si 4, nasa ones, so meron tayong 4 na tigi 1, so the value of 4 is 4. Now, if we will combine these numbers, so we have 574. Meron akong 50,304. Then let's get the value of each number according to their place. 5 is in the 10,000s, so 5 times 10,000, so the value of 5 is 50,000. When you see the thousands place, it is 0. So it means wala tayong tigo 1,000. So the value of 0 is 0. Si 3, nasa hundreds place siya. So ibig sabihin, meron tayong tatlong tigo 100 and the value is 300. Sa tens place, meron tayong 0, so wala daw tayong tig to 10, so the value is still 0. Sa ones place, we have 4, so meron tayong 4 na tig 1, so the value is 4. If we will combine those numbers, so we have 50,304. Okay, let's compare whole numbers. I have here 2,896 and 2,986. For us to see kung sino yung mas mataas sa kanila, we need to check the value of each number according to their place or position. So sa 1,000 place, parehas silang 2,000. So equal sila dun. Then move ka na dun sa next na place value, which is hundreds. Makikita mo na yung isa 800 and then yung isa is 900. So mas mataas si 900 kesa 800. So dyan pa lang, we can say that 2,986 is greater than 2,896. Kahit pa sabihin na pagdating sa tens place, mas mataas yung 90 kesa sa 80. Okay? Another example. I have here 5,437. This is less than to 5,449. Why? Because when you see their tens place, mas mataas yung 40 kesa 30. Kahit pareha sila dun sa thousands place at saka hundreds place. Okay? Another one, 8,456 is greater than 7,932. So, sa thousands place pa lang, mas mataas si 8,000 kaysa kay 7,000. So, always check the value of each number according to their place or position. Okay, let's try to break down the whole numbers according to their places or positions. So I have here 25,486. So in thousands place, we have 25. In hundreds, we have 4. In tens, we have 8. And in ones, we have 6. Another, we have here 288,327. In thousands place, we have 288. In hundreds, we have 3. In tens, we have 2. And in ones place, we have 7. Practice time. I want you to copy the questions and answer it on your own. Once you're done, just check your work here. Let's see if you're able to learn something from this topic. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. Come on, you can do it. Last one. Good job.